Hello everyone, this is Belle from Woxo. Welcome to another episode of Woxo's use case. So make sure to subscribe to hear all about what you can use Woxo videos and automations for your business. Today we have another useful use case, especially for those who live around Miami. No, it's just kidding. You can live anywhere in the world. As you know, we are a diverse team, so we're located here and there. But in this case, let's play a game. So, let's say I am a podcast producer from Miami. So I have my business there and I have different podcasts. I just want to get in touch with my customers and create brand awareness. So I want to have some daily updates, in this case for weather reports. So I just want to update. I'm a news podcast. I have some daily updates, something regarding the weather. So for today's use case, as you can see, we're gonna create just like this sort of video to create some daily updates on Twitter to raise brand awareness, this sort of communication and online presence with your users. Just like a keep in touch message. Let's go. So, as you know, we're gonna begin our journey, as always, here at Zapier. We're just gonna create another workflow. So you go to my Zaps and we're gonna create this Twitter weather report. In this case, we're gonna start with a trigger that's today forecast. Zapier has a cool integration with the weather forecast, so you just need to set this like latitude and longitude. In my case, I use the Miami location, so I'm just gonna get the information. In my case, it was just like today's weather report, so I get the temperature, I get some like a summary, and with that information I can create my video. So I'm just gonna add a custom request. This is webhooks by Zapier as well. And when I set up the action, I'm just gonna use this cool trick that's Woxo's API. So I'm gonna use this to create my video. Remember, you have to fill all the information. And in here, what I did was just like add the information for my video, my weather video. So there we go, guys. We have created the video. Remember to add like the headers. This is an important part to just link. And I'm gonna test the action and add a delay function. In this case, it's just gonna be, as always, 2 minutes to let the editor do its magic. And after that, we just need to get the video. So in that case, we just need to test and copy the success code, and we're gonna take that download URL we're gonna get in here. So if you scroll all the way back, you have the download link, and we're gonna use that URL to just pop that video into Twitter. So I just added a cool message, so good morning Woxians, some hashtags in there to raise brand awareness and everything, and add a data download. So with all this, what we have created is this. You're gonna get this beautiful video for your website. So there you go. You can create amazing videos for your community. It's really easy, really quick, and you can automate daily updates for your customers to see, so you can raise brand awareness and your online presence with just a few clicks. Let me know if you have any other use case. Drop it in the comments below, and hope you all have a lovely sunny day. Or rainy if you prefer. Bye bye! In this case, especially for those located on... Perdón, no. Bye. Tengan un lindo día.